In contrast to most other powder jet devices, MyLunos and all of its components can be fully and hygienically reprocessed, ready for the next use, both on the outside and the inside. This is a key advantage as it contributes to the safety of patients and practice employees. While the MyLunos handpiece and chambers can be wiped down between patients with a disinfectant and cleaner such as FD366, the nozzles will need to be reprocessed and sterilised. After removing the chamber, run the handpiece with your high-speed line to flush out any residual powder for about 10 seconds. You can then switch the water off to dry the inside of the device for another 5 seconds. The nozzle can now be removed in order to be reprocessed. To start reprocessing, the nozzles and the device need to be flushed with water using the provided attachments. This is then followed by one out of 2 validated reprocessing methods. Firstly, a manual process, or secondly, an automated process. The entire handpiece, chamber and nozzle can be immersed in cleaning and disinfection solution, even in an ultrasonic bath. Automated reprocessing can be performed quickly and easily in a thermal disinfection washer. Afterwards, all of the components of the handpiece can be packaged and sterilised, leaving your staff and patients feeling safe.